Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video I quickly want to show you how to use the advanced or filter. In the previous videos you have seen how we use filter in filtering out data from a table. So in today's video I want to show you another advanced level of it. So if you click on the advanced or filter, now the advanced or filter works separately and differently from the normal or conventional filtering method. So when you come here, it will show you the options for filtering using complex criteria. So let's say, just to recap what we have done in the previous videos, let's say we want to filter countries that include the United Kingdom, and then the description of the product that was bought from this country is white. So I'll click on filter, beauty filter, and then I can select United Kingdom first, and then I can search for white. Okay, so and undo this. So we have just this. Then I click on OK. So you can see these are the search results for descriptions that begins with white. So if you want to use the advanced or filter, now in this case, this is and the country and white. The filtering that I just did is the country and white. So if I want to do or, I will have to come to this advanced. Before that, I will insert some rows, empty rows. Okay, then I'll copy out the column headers. So to copy, you press your Control, and then you hold it at the edge this way. Then you drag. Okay, then what do I want to filter? I want to filter data set that is either United Kingdom or description that contains launch. I want to filter out country that is United Kingdom or description contains launch. So if I want to do that, I will bring, since it is United Kingdom first, I'll press my Control, copy this cell and raise it up. And then I want to look for sorry please. So I want to look for countries that description that contains launch. So the result it will show to us will either be United Kingdom or launch. So so since it is launch, I'll type it down here, launch. Okay, so the reason why we are not raising it in the same level, okay, with this United Kingdom is because if you raise it in the same level, Excel will filter it using and instead of or. So But when we put it in different levels, that will now, Excel will use the or filter. So we click on this and then we come to advanced filtering. We'll click on it. So Excel has automatically filtered out the list range to be the data that is here. And then the criteria range, the criteria with which it is going to filter the data. When we click on the table on that range, we'll highlight this. Sorry, we'll highlight this. Okay, only this. And then we are not looking for unique records only, so you click on OK. Now when you click on OK, let's see what it will show to us. So this is United Kingdom in one hand, or launch. So we have all the records. So out of 119 records, Excel returned 100 records. So you can see it has filtered out 19 out of the original records. So let's see all the records for United Kingdom, or you can see this column 40, this row 43. So this is launch box. So it is either launch or United Kingdom. So launch has popped up here because it is part of the criteria here. So this is how you use the advanced or filter. Thank you and see you next time.